Hello friends, warm greetings from TNVAKADEMI. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about ISO 30182 standard, which talks about a smart city concept model, guidance for establishing a model for data interoperability. So let's begin our discussion. More than 80% of the global GDP is generated in the cities. This means urbanization, if managed well, can contribute to sustainable growth through increased productivity, innovation, and interconnectivity. ISO and IC 30182-2017, a smart city concept model, guidance for establishing a model for data interoperability, provides a smart city concept and model that emphasizes establishing interoperability between industry services in a city. ISO and IC 30182-2017 describes a smart city concept model, SCCM, that provides the basis of interoperability between component systems of a smart city. Organizations that provide community services, decision makers, and policy developers in cities are pivotal for enabling interoperability in the SCCM. This international standard specifies these ontologies, concepts such as organization, place, community item, metric, service, resource, relationship between concept. Example: organization has resources, event at a place. A critical part of the SCCM is to align the above ontologies across differently industry sectors. The standard maintains the mapping data from various sectors, provide a basis of discovering and sharing data, enabling interoperability between sectors. The goal of the SCCM in ISO and IC 30182-2017 is to create a city-wide data ecosystem for the benefits of the city and citizen. Let us now discuss about the challenges of urbanization. In 1950, 30% of the world's population lived in urban areas. In 2021, 56% of the world's population lived in cities. This rapid speed and scale of the urbanization brings challenges. The first one is meeting the accelerated demand for affordable housing. The second one is building enough viable infrastructure for transport system and basic service, such as those for water availability and energy consumption. The third one is creating financial opportunities. The fourth one is maintaining a healthy city for its inhabitants, as increased urbanization brings high rates of pollution, poor air and water quality, and waste disposal problems. The fifth one is mitigating rising conflicts such as higher crime rates, congestion, social exclusion, and inequality that contribute to pressure on cities. The sixth one is reducing urban sprawl, which encroaches upon environmentally sensitive areas and agricultural areas that are not suitable for development. This sprawl puts pressure on land and natural resources. So what is the smart city concept model in ISO and IC 30182-2017? Each sector, example health, social services, education, and transportation, has its own models that enable data to be discovered and understood. But there is a barrier of interoperability with other sectors. The smart city concept model, SCCM, addresses this lack of interoperability by defining an overarching framework of concepts and relationships that can be used to describe data from any sector. For example, the health sector might refer to a patient and a care plan. Social services might refer to a client. The education sector might refer to a pupil and a curriculum. And the transport sector might refer to a passenger and a travel plan. Let us now discuss about the benefits of ISO 30182-2017 standard. Reduced costs, since the need to recollect and verify data is removed. Integrated city systems and services driven by data, a common understanding of the needs of the community's shared objectives. Collaboratively developed and evidence using data enable citizens and communities. Transparency in decision making. Development of partnership models. Businesses and communities co-creating innovation and improved quality of life for citizens. So we have now come to the conclusion of this session. In case you have any questions regarding what we have discussed today, then please put them in the comment section of the video and we will be really happy answering them. Till we meet next, is best wishes from TNV Academy. Thank you.